What's up, Good Vibe Tribe? I'm Shemaine, and welcome back to the Mirror Table. We just hit 100,000 views on the Mirror Table, so I'm so excited about that. Remember to subscribe and turn on your bell notifications so that you will know when I upload a next video short or my next designer DIY. My next designer DIY is this Prada bralette top. It is super, super cute. I can't wait to break this down and make this top and to style it. I just know this look is going to be fire. So let's break it down. Let's see what we need. So this Prada top sells for about $775. So let's take a look and see how it's made. So it looks like it's like a basic bra. So I can probably take the waistband of some jeans and make the band around the bra. I'm looking inside of the picture that I have. It doesn't look like it's lined, which I'm kind of surprised. For the price point, I would expect this bralette to be lined, and I believe I will line mine. So I think I've looked at it enough, and let's break this down and see how we're gonna do it. So the first place I look for raw materials is in my closet so I can upcycle some pieces I already have. So I'm going to use these jeans, and the waistband is going to be the band of the bralette, and I'm going to use the jeans to create the rest of the bralette. And you may want to choose some jeans that have some stretch or spandex to them that will really help with shaping of the bralette. So let's get started. I created a pattern and I'm going to cut my pattern out. Now if you guys want a tutorial about how I created this pattern for the Prada inspired bralette, then let me know in the comments and I will do an additional video to show you how I made this pattern. In the meantime, let's cut this baby out. So I am cutting out a self-lined bralette. So which means I will be taking this pattern piece and I will be cutting 4 pieces. And one will be for the internal lining and one will be for the self part of the bralette. Now I'm cutting the shoulder straps that I took from my body measurements, and I am going to cut those out and prepare to sew. And you guys have reached out to me and asked me to show a bit more of the sewing process. So my mom is going to actually sew this and I am going to film it. The dookie is threaded and now we're going to sew. So mom right now is sewing the bralette pieces together. So this is the lining and the self being sewn together. She's going to sew one side of the bralette and the lining together. And then she's going to attach the straps before she sews in the darts and sews the other side. After you sew on your darts, this is the time to do top stitching. If you notice in the photo from the Prada Inspiration bralette, they have some really nice top stitching. My mom is a master tailor, so she is the best at top stitching. After you finish top stitching your dart, then you're going to sew up the other side of the bralette and you're going to get something that looks like this. Now to make that bralette look like a really well tailored piece, you're going to continue top stitching. So you're going to edge gauge the sides. You may want to press this before you edge gauge. Like I said, my mother is a master at this, so she can just shape the bralette with her fingers as she goes. So let's just watch the masterwork. She's going to do some beautiful top stitching and I can't wait to show you guys how we are going to style this bralette. So I hope you're still watching. And again, let me know in the comments if you want a tutorial on how to make the pattern for the Prada inspired bralette. Once your top stitching is complete, you will get something that looks like this, and then you can sew these bralette pieces onto the waistband. Then you should get something that looks like this. This came out beautifully. I love this bralette so much. I love the top stitching, and we used some vintage leather to make the little triangular pieces right in the center, and I think that came out really, really nice. It's really important to kind of create your own when you are inspired by some of these designer pieces. And we added some really cute details to this bralette that make it really tailored and sturdy. See the crisscross lines that helps keep the strap nice and sturdy. And look at the straps. It just came out beautifully. I added another little extra triangles at the top of the bralette for some little extra added detail. But overall, I just love how this came out. It is absolutely gorgeous. So let's let you guys admire it for a bit, and then I'm going to style it. So I hope you really enjoyed this video. That was so much fun to make, and I hope you guys enjoy the different styles that I create. So give this video a big thumbs up, tell a friend, and help me reach my goal of 1,000 subscribers in the next 90 days. Thanks for watching, and tune in next week for another DIY.